We use the internet for chatting, watching videos, online classes, gaming, shopping, banking, and social media. But have you ever wondered what actually happens when we type a website name or send a message? How does information travel from one device to another in just seconds? The internet is often called a network of networks. This means millions of computers, servers, mobile phones, and devices around the world are connected together. The internet allows these devices to communicate and share information. Just like roads connect cities, the internet connects computers globally. Without the internet, services like email, video calls, online maps, and websites would not exist. To access the internet, we need three main things: a device such as a smartphone, laptop, or computer, an internet service provider, also called an ISP, a communication medium like fiber optic cables, Wi-Fi, or mobile networks. The ISP acts like a gateway between our device and the global internet. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose you type the website name www.google.com into your browser. Many processes happen within seconds. First, your browser sends a request asking, "Where is Google located?" But computers do not understand website names directly. They understand numbers called IP addresses. An IP address is like a home address for a computer on the internet. For example, instead of remembering a name, computers use numbers such as 142.250.183.206. How does the computer find the correct IP address? This is done using the domain name system, commonly called DNS. DNS works like a phone book of the internet. It converts website names into IP addresses. So when we type a website name, DNS finds the matching IP address and sends it back to our browser. After finding the IP address, the browser sends a request to the website's server. A server is a powerful computer that stores website data. The data travels through routers, cables, satellites, and network towers. Most internet data actually travels through underground and underwater fiber optic cables. These cables use light signals to transfer information at very high speeds. This is why websites load within seconds, even when the servers are located in another country. The internet does not send information as one large block. Instead, data is divided into smaller units called packets. Each packet contains the sender's address, the receiver's address, and a small part of the message or file. These packets may travel through different routes across the world. At the destination, they are reassembled in the correct order. This process happens extremely fast. For example, while watching a video online, thousands of packets are continuously sent and received. For devices to communicate properly, they must follow certain rules. These rules are called protocols. One important protocol is TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. TCP ensures that all packets arrive correctly and in order. IP handles addressing and routing. Another important protocol is HTTP or HTTPS. HTTPS is used for secure communication and protects sensitive information like passwords and banking details. Whenever you see a small lock symbol in the browser, it means the website is using HTTPS security. A modem connects your home or mobile network to the ISP. A router distributes the internet connection to multiple devices. For example, in your house, the Wi-Fi router allows phones, laptops, and TVs to connect to the internet at the same time. Routers also help packets find the best path across networks. Today, many people use mobile internet instead of wired connections. Mobile networks like 4G and 5G use cell towers to provide internet access. Wi-Fi works using radio waves over short distances. Even though wireless technology is used, eventually most data still travels through fiber optic cables connected worldwide. Many online services today use cloud computing. Cloud computing means storing and accessing data over the internet instead of only on personal computers. Services like online storage, streaming platforms, and web applications depend on cloud servers. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon Web Services manage large data centers around the world. Importance of cybersecurity. Since the internet carries personal and financial information, security is very important. Hackers may try to steal data or spread viruses. To stay safe online, use strong passwords, avoid suspicious links, enable two-factor authentication, and keep software updated. Cybersecurity helps protect users and systems from online threats. The future of the internet is very exciting. Technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, 5G and 6G, virtual reality, and smart cities will make the internet even faster and more intelligent. In the future, billions of devices may communicate automatically without human intervention. To conclude, the internet is one of the greatest inventions in human history. Although using the internet seems simple, many complex technologies work together behind the scenes. Whenever we open a website, send a message, or watch a video, data travels across servers, routers, cables, and networks within milliseconds. Understanding how the internet works helps us appreciate the technology we use every day.